Hi everyone, welcome to week 7. It's actually Thursday, so it's taken me longer than usual to get this greeting out to you. So I should maybe say welcome to towards the end of week 7. I just wanted to go over quickly everything that you're doing this week. I can see that assignments are being completed, which is great. All of the grading has been completed on my end, so if you feel that you submitted something and did not receive a grade, please email me and I'll take a look at that. So here we are, week 7. We're about halfway through the semester. Notice that there is this anonymous survey. It counts. Canvas will know you completed it. You'll get the 2 points. I'm trying to gauge when, in terms of day and general time, it would be useful to hold a class Zoom. So this would not be required in any way. It would be a half-hour class meeting every other week from now till the end of the term. And it would just be a chance for students to interact with each other, interact with me, ask questions about the course, etc. The midterm is due by Sunday. A few folks already completed it. Please note that when you start the exam, the timer begins countdown, and you have 2 hours to write and submit the midterm exam. The midterm is based on this reading, Why the Myth of Meritocracy Hurts Kids of Color. So you want to read that thoroughly, study it, take notes, etc., and then begin your midterm. This link I think I carried over from last week, how to see teacher feedback on your papers. For anyone who was revising Essay 1, you'd see you don't earn points for these 2 areas, but those revisions are due this week. And you're including a cover letter that explains to me the changes that you did make when you revised. Essay 2, it's still due November 1st, so it's, the time is moving. Everyone, I think, submitted their intro last week, and I did provide feedback. It looks like a lot of people are on the right track. And if you want to meet with me or have questions, please just email me. And then, of course, the 2 community forum discussion boards exist for you to communicate with each other or ask me questions. But again, the best way to get in touch with me is to email me directly. So that is what you're doing this week. It's a busy week, I know, and as I said, we're already nearing the end of it. So please reach out if you have any questions, and I hope you all have a good weekend, and I will see everyone next week. Okay, bye-bye.